Hi! Are you ready to go on the most amazing trip ever? We're gonna blast off into space and explore the biggest, most sparkly, most wonderful thing there is our universe. Come on, let's go! Okay, quick question. What is the biggest, most ginormous thing you can think of? Is it a blue whale? Or a super, super tall mountain? Well, whatever it is, hold on, because we're about to find something so much bigger. To understand something that's super duper big, it helps to start somewhere small and cozy, like right where you are this very second. We're gonna find our address in space. Okay, look, we're starting in your house, and your house is on our wonderful planet Earth. And Earth is part of a little neighborhood called the Solar System, and that neighborhood is inside a giant glittery city of stars called the Milky Way Galaxy. And all of that is inside the universe. Wow, that is a big address. So here it is, our little spot, the Solar System. Our very own star, the Sun, is right there in the middle. And we live on one of the 8 planets zipping around it. We've also got lots of moons and even some space rocks called asteroids, just kind of floating around. All right, ready for the next stop? We're zooming out from our neighborhood and traveling to a giant city, a city made of billions and billions of stars. It's called a galaxy. So what is a galaxy, really? Well, imagine a giant island in the middle of a big, dark ocean. But instead of sand, it's made of stars, billions of them, plus lots of swirly gas and dust, all pulled together in a big, sparkly hug by something called gravity. And you know what the coolest part is? We live in one of these star cities. Our home galaxy has a name. It's the Milky Way. So when you look up at the night sky, all those twinkly stars you see, they're our neighbors right here in our city. How cool is that? And galaxies come in all sorts of fun shapes. Some are spirals, and they look like giant spinning pinwheels in space. Whee! Others are elliptical, and they're kind of like big fuzzy ovals. And some are called irregular, because they can be any silly shape they want. All this talk about star cities is making me wonder, what are all those little light bulbs that make them so bright? Let's zoom right in and see what a star really is. Okay. So a star is a giant, giant ball of super, super hot gas. It's so hot that it glows, making its own light and heat, almost like a massive campfire floating in the sky. These are the things that light up the whole universe. And I've got a secret for you. You see a star every single day. Yep, our sun is a star. It's not actually bigger than all the others. It just looks that way because it's the one that's super, super close to us. Did you know that stars have their own life story? It's true. They're born in these big, fluffy clouds of dust, then they live for billions of years, and then they die. And the coolest part? Sometimes the really big stars go out with a giant, colorful explosion called a supernova. It's like, bam, space fireworks. Okay, are you ready for this? We've visited our neighborhood, the Solar System. We've explored our awesome star city, the Milky Way. Now it's time for the biggest stop of all, the one that holds absolutely everything. Welcome to the universe. So what is the universe? It's everything. All the galaxies, all the stars, all the planets, all the asteroids, and all the empty space in between. Everything you can see and everything you can't. It's all inside the universe. And get this, the universe is so mind-bogglingly huge that we don't even know if it has an end. Can you believe that? It might just go on forever and ever and ever. So let's remember our amazing trip. We live on our planet, Earth. Our planet is in our space neighborhood, the Solar System. Our neighborhood is inside our star city, the Milky Way Galaxy. And our galaxy is just one of billions inside the amazing, incredible universe. And that leaves us with one last really big question to think about. With billions and billions of other star cities out there, do you think we're the only ones looking up at the sky and wondering about it all? What do you think?